you have this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel before starting the video. The 50 cent coin from 1999, particularly those from countries like Germany, which used the Deutsche Mark before adopting the euro, holds a unique place in the world of numismatics. These coins are not just pieces of metal. They are fragments of history, encapsulating the transition of Europe into a unified economic zone. The 1999 50 cent coin is especially significant because it marks the year just before the euro was physically introduced in 2002, making it a precursor to the new era of European currency. The design of the 50 cent coin typically features a map of Europe, symbolizing unity and the collective strength of the European nations. The 1999 edition, being one of the earliest, carries with it the anticipation and the historical weight of the euro's introduction. For collectors, the value of this coin is not just in its material, but in its story and the era it represents. Firstly, its age plays a significant role. Coins from the late 20th century, especially those that mark significant economic transitions, are highly sought after by collectors. The 1999 50 cent coin is a tangible piece of the euro's history, making it a must-have for serious numismatists. Additionally, coins from specific countries, like Germany, which had a strong and stable currency like the Deutsche Mark, add an extra layer of desirability due to the economic significance of these nations in the European Union. The condition of the coin also greatly affects its value.
A 1999 50 cent coin in mint condition, uncirculated and free from scratches or wear, can fetch a higher price. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins that look as if they were just minted, preserving the integrity and the original
state of the coin. Moreover, the rarity of the coin can influence its value. While millions of 50 cent coins were minted in 1999, finding one in pristine condition or with unique minting errors can make it exceptionally valuable. Coins with errors, such as misprints or double strikes, are particularly prized because
they are one of a kind and offer a unique story that adds to their collectability. The historical context of the 1999 50 cent coin also adds to its allure. This coin was minted during a time of great change in Europe, as countries were preparing to adopt the euro. It represents the culmination of years of economic negotiation and cooperation, making it a symbol of European unity and progress. For history enthusiasts, owning such a coin is like holding a piece of the continent's journey towards economic integration. In terms of monetary value, the 1999 50 cent coin can vary widely depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. While some may sell for just a few euros, others in exceptional condition or with unique features can fetch significantly higher prices. It's not uncommon for such coins to be sold for hundreds of euros, especially if they are part of a limited edition or have historical significance. To truly understand the value of this coin, one must consider the market demand. Numismatics is a field driven by passion and interest, and the value of coins can fluctuate based on trends and collector interest. The 1999 50 cent coin, with its historical significance and the nostalgia it evokes, is likely to remain a sought-after item among collectors. For those looking to sell a 1999 50 cent coin, it's essential to have it appraised by a professional. An expert can assess its condition, rarity, and historical value, providing a more accurate estimate of its worth. Additionally, selling through reputable auction houses or numismatic dealers can help achieve a higher price, as these platforms attract serious collectors willing to pay a premium for valuable coins. In conclusion, the 1999 50 cent coin is more than just currency. It's a piece of history. Its value lies not only in its material worth, but in the story it tells and the era it represents. For collectors and history enthusiasts alike, this coin is a valuable addition to any collection, embodying the spirit of European unity and economic progress. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a curious beginner, the 1999 50 cent coin is a fascinating artifact that offers a glimpse into a pivotal moment in European history. If you're considering selling this coin, remember that its value can vary
but with the right approach and a bit of patience, you could fetch a significant price. The key is to understand its worth, present it well, and connect with the right buyers who appreciate its historical and numismatic significance. So, if you have a 1999 50-euro-cent coin, cherish it. For it is not just a coin, but a piece of history that continues to captivate and inspire.